back again. I made this outfit like 5 years ago, and it's a funny story behind it. So, when I made this outfit, now I didn't make it from scratch. I went to the thrift store and I found the jeans first at one. This is when I was living in Philly, so I found the jeans first at one store, and then I went to another thrift store and I found a jacket, and I was like, "What the hell is the damn odds? This don't match perfectly." So what I did, I sewed the jacket to the pants and made it a one piece. You know, like a jumper. So I put snaps on here. See, I put a zipper on here, so that way when it opens up, and when I zip it up, it'll stay closed. But I didn't do all of this, and I didn't do all of this. This is the way that the jacket came. All I did was just sew the jacket to the top of the jeans, and I put the belt hooks on here. I took the top of the belt hooks off. I sewed the jacket on there, and then I sewed the belt hooks back on there. So that's how I made this jumper. And this is like my third, technically it's my third jumper that I made, but rightfully it's only my second. Because I did two like this. The other one I gave away. I kept this one. And I did the other one I still got, but that's a short one. That one was black, not black jeans. We just black tights. And I cut the bottom of the pants off, and I sewed it to the top. So now it's a jumper, but it's a tank top. It ain't got no sleeves or nothing. So that's how I did that. So, but you can do anything, whether you know how to sew or not. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. And they got so many things available online, especially YouTube, that would teach you how to sew. So, yeah, it's anybody can sew. Anybody, you just gotta have the patience and have the mind to do it. Because I used to make jewelry, my own jewelry and stuff. So I picked this up from the dollar store yesterday, and I'm gonna try to make earrings out of it because I'm a bit rusty. I haven't made earrings in like 4 years, so I'm a bit rusty. But it was 4 in here, yeah. So that's 2 earrings. So I'm going to do a video afterwards so y'all can see it. Alright? So that's the end of that. I got my bracelet on. Okay. But I don't wear it as much down here in Florida because it don't be cold enough. And I'm not really no denim type person. The only time I wore denim was when I was in Philly. I really don't wear it down here because it'd be too hot. We only get 3 months. We get January, February, and March. Next month it's going to be 85 degrees every day. So, and time for the swimming pool. All right, y'all.